What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We're in Newark, New Jersey, and Bensia Ali told me to come down here and check out Korean fried chicken. That's right there behind me. We're going in there. I was outside here, they just opened up, so I'm gonna go in and check out some fried chicken, man. We're in Newark, New Jersey. Like, who got the best fried chicken in Newark, New Jersey? Okay, everybody gonna say ambassadors. And Bensia got on, I believe it was one of my ambassador videos, and she said, look, go try Korean fried chicken. So we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna let y'all know. Y'all gonna sit there with me. We're gonna eat some wings. I'm gonna get some hot wings and some mild wings. Let's check it out. But let's go check it out. Let's go check it out, y'all. Ooh, nice and warm in here. I mean, it's not that cold outside, but it's just a little chilly. But we're gonna go in here. Can I sit anywhere? Yeah. Thank you. We're gonna go in here, man. They just opened up. We're gonna try some fried chicken. Let's sit right here, y'all. I'm gonna get the spicy and the mild. Chicken wings getting brushed with love. There it is, y'all. There it is. I got 5 hot and 5 mild. Like, I don't know. That look like the hot over here. That look like the mild right there, man. Let's see. It smells good, man. I could definitely smell like some hot spices. I don't know which one is which, and the waiter didn't want to be on video, so he shot off. Let's check it out, y'all. Check it out. Which one's hot, man? Which one is which?
Yeah, I think this one is.
These are the spicy, right? Okay. All right. That's the spicy side, y'all. That's what he said. That's the spicy side. Let's see if he's right. But anyway, Korean fried chicken, man, downtown Newark, right here off of Mulberry Street and Market, off of Market and Mulberry. Let's check it out, man. It was suggested to come here by, I think it was Bensia Ali. I'm gonna put her name right there. Thank you, Ms. Ali. Well, I ain't gonna thank you yet. If the food's good, I'm gonna thank you. I'm gonna thank you right now. Let me see which one is which. For real, I could feel that is the spicy one right away. This chicken, the batter, the crust is very crispy. I mean, it's hard to the touch, but it's spicy, it's hot. I mean, spicy hot. It's temperature hot too. And it's a little sweet. I taste a little sweetness on there. Look at that, y'all. See the steam coming off here? It's cooked well. You know, it's not raw. I know we. Y'all know what I mean when I say we. We like our chicken cooked well done. But we don't want it to be dry. You know what? Okay. And y'all know I like the flats. I think I got half and half flats and half of the drumstick. I have this little sauce here. I don't know what this is. It tastes like that. It tastes like ranch dressing, salad dressing. All right, I was gonna try another hot because it is delicious, man. This is really crispy. I don't know if y'all can hear that. One thing they do have, this is a good chicken wing. The batter is really good. In that video, it's a video in front of me. They were showing them, like, I should have went and got the video in the kitchen, but they had this brushing the batter on and the whatever sweetness I'm tasting in here. This is good. All right, it's official, y'all. Korean fried chicken. I want to see who back there making this chicken. All right, that was almost 2 pieces. I didn't finish this one. What's going on? After I finish this one, we're gonna try some of this. I think it's ranch dressing. You know what? Let's try some of the ranch dressing right now. Okay. It tastes like chicken with ranch dressing on it. You don't need ranch dressing, y'all. This is some really good chicken. Chicken wings. I shared on a previous video, I don't like it real spicy where I can't taste the food. You know, some people do, that's your prerogative. But I think, what did I get? I got half and half, that's what they call it. Half spicy, half not spicy. But I have yet to taste the not spicy yet. The meal was $14.95. I got some seltzer water with it, some agua con gas. Got my seltzer. It's ice cold too. The chicken, I mean, it tastes like good chicken, right on the chicken wing. The meat part, but this batter, whatever they're using for this, I've never tasted anything like this. It is delicious. Let me stop shaking it, right? I'm like doing like this, you can't see it. Y'all crazy. Got some there gristle. All right. Okay, now that looks spicy. These look spicy. This one, I'm gonna try to clear my palate so I can see like what is the real big difference with the spicy and the not spicy. Ugh. And y'all see I didn't say only thing I'm missing is my hot sauce because it's not missing anything. Here we go. This may be the spicy one. I'm sorry. This may be the sweet one. I'm sorry. This may be the one that's not spicy, the mild one. That's it. Yeah. I just wanted to let y'all know that the mild one is not spicy at all. So don't have that fear if you don't like spicy chicken. The mild one, get the mild. But if you don't mind a little spice, get the one that's hot and spicy. My choice out of the two, I like the spicy one. I'm gonna finish the mild one up, and then I'm gonna go back to a spicy one, and then I'll compare the two for you guys. When I came in, there was no one here. The place is starting to pack out. There was a group of about 6 people just walked in. There's an office building here near here called the Gateway. People probably coming from the Gateway. Let me see how many people here. There's about 15 people here right now. Okay, that was the mild one. Back to this is the spicy one, y'all. I won't shake it. I gotta pay attention, just twirl it for y'all. So I'm gonna eat a little bit of this. Make sure it wasn't a fluke, that first one. I like that spiciness. I like that spiciness in the cross with the sweet. And that's that batter, man. Whatever that batter is, it's good. I'm gonna try the dressing one more time. I'm gonna call it, I think it's ranch dressing. Don't you think it's ranch dressing? I don't know if y'all can see it, it's kind of bright, right? Don't you think it's ranch dressing? There's also ketchup here. I know I don't want no ketchup on it. We're here in Newark, New Jersey, on Market Street and Mulberry Street. Make sure nothing on my mouth. Y'all won't be telling me when food on my mouth. I don't need that sauce. Please come by here. Tell them Matt DV sent you. I don't know what that'll mean to them. They may be like, who in the hell is Matt DV? Tell them Matt DV sent you. And definitely post on this video after you come from here, whether you enjoyed it or not. Whether you come here or not, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. We need more patrons, y'all. Patreon.com/MattDV. That's right there too. Just buy me a cup of coffee, man.
Bruh, out here working hard every day. Y'all can at least give me a cup of coffee.
I gotta do my teeth like this.
Y'all can at least give me some coffee.
I ain't messing with y'all. I ain't messing. Y'all be joking too much. Psych.